Hello everyone, welcome to Teacher Jasmine's classroom. My name is Teacher Jasmine. Teacher Jasmine classroom tomorrow Teacher Jasmine. Today I'm going to share two easy tongue twisters. Tongue twister in the share and the first one is blue bluebird. Blue bluebird. Blue bluebird. Blue bluebird. The second one is Billy blows big blue bubbles. Billy blows big blue bubbles. Big blue bubbles. Billy blows big blue bubbles. Billy blows big blue bubbles. Tini piopitoire tongue twister lady yaro letter B B letter B L B. Di sound leading ko chicken tara pipari. The call to do like your tia, automatic up pipi or not cacomini domino. Blue bluebird. Blue bluebird. Blue bluebird. Blue bluebird. Billy blows big blue bubbles. 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 Thank you for your watching.